Big V honeybee here. I got this cute little swarm in Collinsville that I'm gonna catch. I'm gonna stick it in the box. Gotta get my sprayer going. Big V honeybee here. I'm in Collinsville. I'm gonna catch this cute little swarm. I kind of treat my swarms that I catch like homeless puppies or kittens. First thing I'm gonna do, I got some sugar water, some lemongrass here. I'm gonna spray them, give them something to eat. They really like this stuff. They're really drawn to it. I'm gonna take the same thing and spray in my little box. I got this tarp to spread down a little bit. Catch any of the stragglers that do not go into the box. I'm hoping that this angel is light enough that I can pick it up and just dump it in the box. So in the box, I just have a whole hive. Let's see here. See? It's just a hive bottom. It's just a hive box and a bottom with an inside feeder, because I'm going to lock them up in the box for a few days. They'll be able to get air. Don't worry, I got air holes and all that good stuff. But I want to give them a little something to eat. The idea is to trap them in the box, give them a little food so they can start building comb and the queen can start laying. And then once the queen starts laying, they'll stay. I don't want to give them a whole lot of food. Just, you know, a little snack. Got my little brush here. That out. That in my pocket. All this. They spray this down with this lemongrass oil. This is just sugar and water and lemongrass oil. And I got a little bit of supplement. It's a Bee Bestie. You can get it from apabuzz.com. Kind of like a vitamin for bees. Just a little closer. Hopefully, I can just lean this angel over. There's no right in there. Should have brought a pair of clippers. Just take that. And that's it. I'm going to hang out here and let them settle down. But they're going to go to this food. And that's just kind of all it was. Move the angel back to where she was. That's all she wrote. I'm just gonna hang out, let these bees settle down, spray them. There we go. Also, you know, want to give a special thank you to the homeowner for calling me and giving me the privilege of collecting her bees. You have been served with an eviction notice. The homeowner doesn't want